Yo, it's Laurie back again with another quick GarageBand iOS tutorial. Today I'll be breaking down What's Next by Drake. It's this new single that he dropped last night. Go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. Alright, so let's get right into it. The tempo is set to 130 BPM. Now, I know my synth doesn't sound exactly the same as the original, but I just wanted to get it close enough. But anyway, for the first sound, I'm using the analog silk. By the way, a lot of you guys always ask me, where do I find these sounds? Once you go to the pads category, you'll see analog silk. Then I have it set to dark brassy setting right here, and I'm just gonna solo this so you can hear what it sounds like. Yeah, so that's the first sound. So here's what the second sound sounds like. Second sound is set to classic simple pad. And it's set to synth string settings over here. Both of these synth sounds are playing exactly the same note. Let me show you what the chord progression looks like. It's very simple. The first chord we have C major chord. So it goes from C major to B minor. And yeah, that's the entire chord progression throughout. Just these two chords right here. And together it sounds like this. Turned the bass all the way down, took out some treble, and I also added some reverb. Alright, after that we had the 808. By the way, all the drum sounds that I used in this video is from my 100 kit drum pack. So link is in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Here's the pattern for the 808. And we had the claps coming in on the downbeat. Alright, so let's move on to hi-hats. Super basic. Let me show you what that looks like. There's a little hi-hat roll at the end. Alright, so once you have all that, all you gotta do is add some snares. Some open hats. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That was a quick little breakdown on how I made Drake What's Next. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below which breakdown you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time.